Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video we're gonna explore about what is nested loop. Before these previous videos we discussing about what is for loop and some useful syntax. In today's video we use some examples how for loop working and some useful concept about Python. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to be subscribed because useful videos are coming very soon. So stay tuned with me and go. So what we discuss in our follow. So in follow what we discuss means in previous example we see in our previous video. Link is in the description. Please go and check out. Okay. So basically follow means if I given one list, if I want to access each item from the list, we can use the help of for loop, right? So for loop does not require any indexing variable set beforehand. Understand? Means it is a each index will be separately executed by we are giving the index position, index value, get the result from for loop, right? So in today what we gonna talk about some useful concept to solve various problems in Python. So first concept is a break statement. So what is break statement? Break means what? Stop. Suppose we want to access one list. That list is given with some example. I write it here. Look at it. Okay, if I write it here some example with this is a fruit's name. So fruit's name I want to access it. So I tell them that if this fruit will be matches with my item, my fruits which is on that time, you use break statement. Okay, then the result print statement will come in the result. Okay, as you try in your code editor by using this example. Okay, so if you apply this concept, you better know where you will be using the break statement. Okay, suppose if I write it here for x in fruits we given some fruits name. Okay, if this fruits name matches with my exactly fruit name, then print that fruit name. Means that fruit name they print, means up to that they print, after that they never print. Means I suppose a list was given, whatever the required list will be matching to the required item, then that value, exact value will be printed. Okay, as you see in your example. Okay, if you do this in your code editor, you see in a result that see up to this one value will be coming as output. How it will become? Because their first value matches with this value, right? Correct or not? Okay, so try more example, try given more list, multiple list, try to access it. Okay, with a equal to operator here, equal to operator, right? Like other operator, not equal to, with the numbers also you can try. With a string also you want to access a full of string, so each item also how do you access that also you can apply through this. Okay, means a break means suddenly stop with that point and that output will be printed as we see. Okay, then going further to our next concept called a continue statement. What is continue statement? With continue statement we can stop the current iteration of loop and continue with next. Means current iteration of the loop, means you understand, means if you want to accessing this list, this current item will be matches, that we skip it, move further. Means suppose I want to write a list here, apple, banana, cherry, all those things. Okay, if I write a for loop given a condition that if this condition will be matches with this my fruit, then continue syntax will be applied. Means skip that one, move further. Means see, if you keep it, means if I write here banana, means banana they skip only, rest others they print as a output. You understand? Try to catch it, okay? Because these are the very small concept which will be clear solving big problems, okay? Try to implement at your own code editor, okay? Okay. In previous videos I talked about what is a range function, okay? That range functions also means there is a starting and positions. If we are given that much of number or string you are given as a range, that will be printed, okay? We talk about extending step out range also, means given two range, third one is step range, okay? For else loop also, there is a basic concept about for else loop. If this condition not satisfied, that condition will be satisfied, okay? You apply those things, okay? Nested loop is the list under the list. What is list under the list? Means one list if you are written, other list also you are given. We want both list together. How we can get? By using this concept. Yes no? हाँ कि नहीं? हाँ, तो ये हम अप्लाई करेंगे तभी जब हम एक अच्छे से एक सिटी का नाम दे देते हैं लिस्ट में, ठीक है? और ये एक स्टेट का लिस्ट दे देते हैं, ये सिटीज़ का नाम है, ये स्टेट का नाम है, ठीक है? सो वी वांट टू एक्सेस दिस स्टेट और सिटीज़, ओके? ये आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारा सिटी और स्टेट दोनों एक ही जगह में प्रिंट हो चुका है, विच मीन्स this is an list. We can access from these two list. Okay, understand or not? So try to implement more example. Okay.
So our next concept is about past statement. As I tell about break statement, continuous statement, this is another useful syntax is called past statement. Past statement means an all statement which cannot be used as a placeholder in our code. Okay, suppose we have a loop of a function that not implement yet, but we want to implement it in future. Okay, in such cases we can use past statement. Understand? Suppose you want to write a small program. Suppose I write it here that this program want to run here. See, I pass this statement. Okay, hello sir. So it will be printed. Means if I given one value, that value is greater than 10. If it is yes, then pass it, then print hello. Simple logic, no? Here you notice that आपने यहाँ पे देखा होगा कि we have used past statement inside if statement. Did you see, no? Inside a if statement. However, nothing will be happens when past statement will be executed. कुछ हुआ क्या? कुछ तो नहीं हुआ. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स को आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी और हमेशा याद रखिए, कोई भी लूप या स्टेटमेंट लिखिए इंडेंटेशन का पूरा ध्यान रखिएगा. यू वांट टू डू ए गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ कोड. इफ यू वांट टू राइट, then know these minor mistakes, so in future a good problem solver you become. Okay, you know now how to comment a comment in Python using hash. Okay, what is the difference between comment and pass, bro? Anyone? If you know, then use this because in Python, while that interpreter ignores that comment entirely, pass is not ignored. This is a very common point. Comment and pass. Okay, in interpreter there is a, you can entirely comment it, but pass that not ignore this. Okay, पास को कहाँ भी यूज़ करते हैं? वी कैन यूज़ इन फंक्शंस एंड क्लास. अपकमिंग क्लासेस आर really interesting. So we talk about functions, we talk about what are the classes, okay, how argument passes through functions. Okay, so next class will be about what is function and all those. So keep learning, keep growing, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.